Hello and welcome to my studio. I am Pauline, an artist from the Netherlands, and in this video I will show you how I work on craft paper and how I make collages with them. Nature is always a big inspiration for me, and I try to go with the seasons. I often draw what I see around me, a flower in the park or a beautiful tree. This month of May was already remarkably colourful, lots of purples, blues and yellows. I love craft paper. It seems to be the dullest kind of paper with its sort of nothing color, but it is great. It's cheap, made from recycled materials, and it's an excellent background for making colors stand out beautifully. I once found a forgotten craft paper sketchbook in my studio, started drawing in it a bit, and got completely hooked on working with neocolors in it. The colors just almost jump off the paper and you have results relatively quickly. The materials sink in quickly when you work with water, but the neocolors hold up. I work over the neocolors with pencils. Twice a week, I teach a botanical drawing class at local greenhouses. It's the ideal place to teach, as the drawing subjects are all around you. Besides, being among plants is conducive to your mental health, so being there lifts everyone's spirit. Students learn to observe, color theory, investigate texture, and, of course, they learn to draw details. It's a wonderful place to teach. I am continually looking for ways to slow down. A few years ago, the constant looking at flickering screens, the stress of ever approaching deadlines caused me to continuously shift and make my work more analog. I used to add color to my drawings digitally, making all the sketches and compositions in Photoshop as well. But doing these things by hand is so much more satisfying to me, and the process is a much calmer one. You can move elements around in Photoshop, but you can also cut out your sketches or drawings with scissors and adjust them on the paper. If something doesn't quite work out with painting, you just stick something on top of it. It makes the process much more fluid and natural for me. It's obviously a slower process, but because sunlight also plays a part, it becomes extra layered, and the artwork is different every time. Hopefully, I can make more of this sort of art. I would love to work on bigger canvases too. I hope you like this. If you watched it to the end, please comment collage and give it a like. It would greatly help me to become more visible on this platform. And a big thank you to my Substack members, as they inspire me immensely to create new work. Thank you, and until next time, bye.